Hello student, yesterday you saw that how the child reacted when he lost his parents, and actually how he panicked after losing his parents. And then we will see here that, once again, wait, having run to and fro in race of running for a while, he stood defeated, his eyes cries suppressed into sobs. At little distance on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes men and women talking. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people, who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. So now, student, yesterday you saw that how the child was actually panicked after losing his parents, and he wailed. He just lost his yellow turban, also his he just fallen here and there, his clothes were muddy, and then actually he ran here and there. The word hither and thither means here and there, I told you yesterday. Now, after running for many time here and there, for to and fro, the phrase to and fro actually here, student, means forward and backward, आगे पीछे ऐसे moves like a swing, to and fro. So he just moved here and there, running in rage means in extreme anger. So in anger he just ran from here and there for a while, and he was just standing, losing his hope. Now when it is written that he is too defeated, it means that now he had submitted, har maan liya hai, he from this situation. He does not know what he should do now in this sort of situation, and his cries actually suppressed into sobs. And now the his crying, beeping now has been converted into his sobs. He was at the beginning he was crying loudly, but now he is just sobbing. पहले वो जोर जोर से रो रहा था अपने फादर को खोने के बाद, बट नाउ वो सिसकियां ही ले रहा है ओनली. At little distance on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes. Here, student, filmy eyes means to say that when you have a vision, when you are visioning something. So he is just visioning everyone, and who he is visioning, having the vision of in the fair. There are men and women. They were talking to each other. They were just having their fun time in the fair, and they do not have to do anything with the child. No one was actually looking at him. No one was caring at him. Everyone is just busy on themselves. And actually the child is trying to find his father and mother among all those people, but he has no he did not find them anywhere. And what happens then, actually he was actually trying to find them by their clothes, the yellow clothes that their parents was wearing, of bright yellow color, but he is not finding them among all those people. And all those people are just busy in themselves. They are just enjoying themselves at the fair. They are just laughing and talking just for the sake of laughing and talking. When it is written that for the child, they are laughing and talking has no import for him. It doesn't matter to him at all. So for him it seems that they are just laughing for the sake of laughing. They are not laughing and talking for a reason. They are just laughing and talking because they have nothing to do. So they are just laughing and talking. Now here, student, what happens that he ran quickly again, this time to Srin, to which people seem to be crowding. The Srin is actually the worshipping place, such as temple. So he actually now this time goes to a shrine to look for his parents, and the shrine is totally crowded by people. You all know that a temple or other worshipping place sometimes how much they are crowded. So actually that shrine was also quite crowded, and every little inch of space here was congested with men, but he ran through people's legs, his little sob lingering. Mother, father, actually, every space was congested in the campus of Seren. You all know that in these sort of situations, in these sorts of places, there are so many people inside a temple or inside some other worshipping place. There are so many gathering of people. The place is so congested, you cannot find even a place to stand on. So now you are student, you are saying that the child is very desperate to find his parent. He is searching them everywhere, here and there, but will he find them or not? That's the question that will be answered in the end. The video is already more than of 6 minutes, so we will have to end it today. Tomorrow I will try to finish this chapter, and then we will look for its questions, which may be the essential questions which may be asked in the examination.